got the old service truck here, and I was thinking outside the box about a month or two ago, and I came up with an intake idea that was a little more straightforward, not straightforward, I don't know. But I figured 245s right into the intake would probably be pretty decent flow. So I got some piping and fired up the old plasma cutter and sliced out some metal for it and came up with my own little design. So something to think of when you're trying to get some more flow into the truck, I guess. Nothing wrong with Quadstar tunings. Like I said, he's got some of the best products on the market that you can bolt right in, and he's got some of the best ideas on the market, and I just came up with something, or modified his idea. But I'll probably end up with one of his eventually on one of these trucks. It's just something I wanted to do to this thing. This truck's mostly stock turbo, stock tune, just the exhaust and this intake and high flow air filter and a few other little things here and there. Nothing big, but it's a decent truck, and you know, here in the Rust Belt we have to have nice fresh batteries all the time. So hopefully you guys like this nice intake idea, and soon there'll be a video coming on how to do your steel braided oil cooler lines, because the dually needs a new set of oil cooler lines. It has the stock set in it still. I know. Don't comment and all the hatred yet, but not everybody's rich, so I've been waiting to put a set in it. Gotta purchase a set from John and put them in and maybe make a video. Hopefully it'll help some of you guys out there trying to do your cooler lines. But one thing I gotta show you is watch out for your aftermarket radiators, because this radiator has been just problematic ever since I installed it. It just has not enjoyed its life very much whatsoever. I don't know why, but these fittings keep leaking. Probably because it's not a nice one, but I'm not a millionaire, like I said, so aftermarket ones for $100 at the parts store, my cost, are better than the one that was leaking on it. So it is what it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video. Maybe I'll stick another one together tonight if I have any time. Busy, you know, working hard on customers' vehicles, on the lifts and everything else. So see you later guys, have a good one.